What up guys, Eric from B-Sonic. Today we have a 2007 Toyota Tacoma. This is a TRD Off-Road Edition. It has a V6 engine and we're going to be installing the Shiftpower throttle response controller. It's a quick install, it only take a few minutes and I'm going to walk you through that and I'll also demonstrate on how this product works. So let's go ahead and not waste any time and get started. Your first step is after you turn off your engine, you want to go ahead and leave your door open, and since it has a key fob, you want to put this away from your vehicle where it won't detect your car and then wait 10 minutes. So after you get back to the car, you want to first locate this plug. There's a matching plug right on top of the acceleration pedal. So you could look down here and you're gonna have to reach down a bit. So if you look over here, look up, and this is the plug over here. All you need to do is press on the release tab on the right side of the connector and then pull it up just like that. After you unplug it, grab our harness. So one side is going to connect into the factory connector here, and the other end here is going to connect to the plug right behind the acceleration pedal. Next we already connected this. This is the small 2-pin connector for your switch. And then all we need to do is clean this wire up, use a zip ties, and then go ahead and mount it up here so it doesn't mess with your pedal down here. And then we'll just route this wire to where you want to mount your button. So we'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, so for this customer, we're just gonna leave it dangling over here for now, per customer request. And then let me go ahead, and while this is here, let me go ahead and turn on the engine. So after you turn on the engine, what you want to do is download the Shiftpower application. And how you do that is go to your app here. I already went ahead and searched it, Shiftpower Valet, and then go ahead and press the install and then open. And after you open up the app, you want to click on this vehicle button, and then you'll find it. You'll find your Shiftpower device. Go ahead and connect it. It's going to ask you for the password, and the password is going to be written on the user manual, first page. Go ahead and pair it, and then you will select your vehicle, Tacoma. And then once you selected it, you'll notice that it's already on green. So every time you press the button, your app will change real time. Sport, Super Sport, that's orange, and then Race, that's red. Press it again, it'll turn white, which is turned off. And let me give you a little example. So at the off position, if you accelerate, you can see the vehicle's acceleration and Shiftpower's acceleration. It's going to be the same. And then you press it once, it'll jump to 25%. And you'll notice that the Shiftpower acceleration is going to be a little bit more than the original. All right, there it is. Press it one more time. Sport, it's going to be more aggressive. Super Sport, even more aggressive. And then Race, super aggressive, very sensitive. And you can also fine-tune this setting by going to the setting button here, most settings. So if there's a specific percentage that you would rather prefer, you could go ahead and change it over here. And then on top of that, you can change the throttle curve to be linear, which is straight, dynamic, or exponential, which has the most easing in curve. So exponential will probably be the easiest to drive, unless of course you're just trying to peel out and do donuts. It will want it to be linear. So exponential, we'll try at Race. So with exponential, the acceleration will build up more as you're pushing it down more. Okay, on top of that, we also have what's called a Valet Mode. So at the Valet Mode, you can actually adjust how much percentage is the maximum acceleration, between 15 to 45% when you're valeting your vehicle, so that you don't have to worry about the valet driver peeling out with your car and being reckless with it. And at the same time, we also have the throttle lock mode. So when you lock your throttle, this is for a secondary theft deterrent device. Say that they get your engine turned on, and even when they accelerate, nothing is going to happen to the vehicle. It won't move. All right, well, that concludes our installation demonstration of the Shiftpower throttle response controller for this 2007 Toyota Tacoma. We also have other applications available. If you have any questions, leave a line below, or you can email us at info@beatsonikusa.com. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a like. Thank you very much.